Welcome back to another interesting session on decoding accounts and finance. Last session we spoke about, or we understood what accounts and finance really implies in the business perspective. We're going to take this a little further today. Business is equal to money. Do you agree or you're confused? Let's take a deeper look. Say you start a business. What do you need? Money, finance. Then you get deeper into business, you purchase material. Again, you need finance. Finance gets involved in again every aspect of business. So it is absolutely important to understand how each operation links to finance and what a businessman or an entrepreneur needs to do to ensure that his financial perspective of business is in sync for all the operations. So basically, finance reflects in every aspect of your business, and you need, as an entrepreneur, to get more acclimatized or more accustomed to how you should view finance in your business perspective, or rather in every operation of your business. So for that, what really needs to be done? There's no rocket science to that. Okay, it's just very simple. There are some simple things that you can do by yourself and get a financial perspective of business. For example, you're trying to create inventory of raw materials or of some components that you want to manufacture. Normally what we do, we say, okay, this material is not in stock, I'll buy this. Add a planning perspective to it, in the sense how much time it is taking for me to buy that material. Like today I place an order and I get, say, after 3 or 4 days I get the material, and then so that tells me that if I need material on X day, I need to order it on X minus 5 days or X minus 4 days. That is nothing but creating a financial perspective so that you plan your finances accordingly. Similarly, it happens for even sales. If I have to make a sale, say at the end of the month, say on the 31st of the month, so what do I need to do? I need to plan backwards. When should my material get completed so that I can get delivered? For that to get completed, when should my material come in to the shop? And for that material to come in, when I should place my purchase orders. So this is a complete link. If this link gets disturbed in any way, say you don't have the money in your bank account to pay to your vendor is not going to send the material in time. And so going forward, you are not going to be able to deliver on time. So every aspect or every transaction in your business will have to be planned financially, will have to be looked at financially, so that at any given time you don't face a cash crunch. Typically, why businesses face a cash crunch is these transactions are not getting mapped financially somewhere, and that time and the amount involved is not getting captured in your planning in a manner where you can say that, no, this is where I'm going to have a cash crunch, I better plan for it. This will happen if you plot things in the right manner. So in the forthcoming videos, we are going to take you through how you can do this in a very user-friendly way. There's no technicality, there's no jargon in it. It's going to be very simple. Last but not the least, just 4 things for your carry. 1, as I said, have a good data of your transactions. 2, put that data in a time and money perspective. 3, review that data on a monthly basis in the list. And 4, make the corrections right away. If you feel that from the data, if you feel that something is missing, something is not happening the way it should, just make those corrections right away. So if these 4 things are followed on a monthly basis, you will find yourself in much more control, or in much more greater control of your money aspect of business. Like you will never feel, I have made a sales, I have not made profit. I have made a transaction, but I have not collected the money. Where do I get the money to buy my material from? These questions will automatically get answered. So if you like this, subscribe our channel and do hit the bell icon.